The core terms, nation building, it is always the effort of those in government, that is the president, the governor, the senators, the whole of them, and also the citizens to work together in making sure that a given nation is doing well. Over the past few days, Nigerians have took to the street all over the country protesting that those in government should work on helping to build the nation using the hashtag word end bad government in Nigeria, end bad governance now, and also end bad governance. This came after the means of livelihood in Nigeria is becoming a problem as citizens can no longer afford meal, as citizens can no longer afford to do things that they used to do. Don't forget that just a year now that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu emerged the president of Nigeria from the just concluded election, the president removed the fuel subsidy, and after that, the price and the purchase of fuel escalated, and at the same time, this whole thing have gone to also affect the dollar and other foreign currency exchange rate. Yesterday, the 4th of August, the president, however, addressed the country after 3 days of protest. On the 4th day, he addressed the citizens that we should lay down our anger with the protest, that his government meant well for the country. Today, Nigerians also took to the streets saying that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not in any way address in his speech the reason for the protest. Nigerians are demanding that the president should first of all bring back the fuel subsidy. Then the means of livelihood will be a little bit good for Nigerians to work with. I will take you around the street, and then you get to see what people are saying and the reason why they decide to go back to the street today to protest against a bad government. I remember Kevin White, reporting from Smell TV. Thank you.
Ojota. So today is day 5. Today is day 5, August 5 of this protest. May Nigerians succeed. May Nigerians succeed with this protest over this bad government. May God help Nigerians to succeed. That's my prayer. May we succeed as Nigerians. Ojota Freedom Park, day 5, verse 5. We are here again.
Wọ́n ti gbà ṣe lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, kò sí kankan ti jà sí white, gbogbo kan bí mo ti tà tán. Àwọn yàrá mi kan ti jẹ́rìí sí, wọ́n ní mo ní tẹ́lẹ̀ kà, Tinubu dé, mo ti gbọ́ kọjá ìjì. Tí àwọn ti pọ̀ jù, èèyàn máa gbóǹdì, tí Tinubu ọ̀bà pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́rọ̀, ó pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lélẹ̀.
Ilé orúkọ yín madam.
Olúwa kẹ́mi ọ̀kí ṣe ìwádìí gbogbo ẹ̀mọ́ ní ìyàwúrà. Ìyàwúrà mo sọ̀rọ̀. Kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ní ṣe tó kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, mo rọ́jú sí ẹ̀fọ́ bí wọ́n lẹ̀. As a citizen of Nigeria is the fuel. Don't give us that fuel. That's the only thing for the poor and the rich is enjoying. You said they are taking our fuel across the border. Can this vulnerable Nigeria carry fuel across the border? Answer me.
So this is Ojota this morning. If only God can just help us for Nigeria to succeed. We are not so many people as we come. The police are not many here right now. Ojota. So today is day 5. Today is day 5, August 5 of this protest. May Nigerians succeed. May Nigerians succeed with this protest over this bad government. May God help Nigerians to succeed. That's my prayer. May we succeed as Nigerians. Ojota Freedom Park, day 5, verse 5. We are here again.
What do you think? Tinubu call am from nowhere. What do you think? What do you get for buy? What is Tinubu ti lana? Ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó ń gbọ́wọ́ fún? Ní àdúgbò ọlẹ́ local government wa, wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n wà nílùú yìí. 5,400 naira wọ́n fún.